This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chip Landers. Nestled in Pointe West, Vero Beach, this home boasts many custom trim details and hardwood floors. New roof installed in 2023. The lot has lush landscaping including a beautiful Royal Poinciana in the backyard. The current plan has a large second bedroom that can be easily converted back to the original 3 bedrooms if required. Hurricane shutters are roll down and accordion type for ease of installation for anyone. There is natural gas available for anyone wanting gas cooking, etc. This beautiful home and lot offers a serene oasis at a great price. New roof installed in 2023. Don't miss out. #Vero Beach Real Estate. For more information, review the details below.